In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and remove page breaks in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet you want to prepare for printing. Page breaks are useful because they let you control exactly where one printed page ends and the next one begins. This can make your printed worksheet look much cleaner and easier to read, especially when you want to keep certain rows together. To understand how this works, imagine you have a worksheet with employee data, including columns like employee, department, and salary. Let's say you want a new printed page to begin before Emma's record. Instead of letting Excel decide the page split automatically, you can place the break exactly where you want it. The recommended way to do this is by adding a manual page break. Start by selecting the row below the point where you want the new page to begin. In this example, if you want the new page to start before Emma's record, click the row that begins with Emma. If you ever need a vertical page break instead, you would select the column to the right of where you want that break. Next, go to the Page Layout tab at the top of Excel. In the Page Setup group, click Breaks, and then choose Insert Page Break. Excel will place a manual page break at that location. This gives you much more control over how your worksheet prints. To make sure the break is in the correct spot, switch to Page Break Preview from the View tab. This view helps you clearly see where each printed page begins and ends. It's a great way to double-check your layout before printing, and it can save you from wasting paper on a poorly formatted worksheet. If you need to remove a manual page break, the process is just as simple. Select the row below the manual page break you want to remove. For a vertical page break, select the column to the right of it. Then go back to the Page Layout tab, click Breaks, and choose Remove Page Break. Excel will remove that manual break and return that section to its automatic print layout. If you want to remove all manual page breaks in the worksheet at once, go to Page Layout, click Breaks, and then select Reset All Page Breaks. This clears every manual page break you've added and restores Excel's automatic page breaks throughout the sheet. As a final tip, Page Break Preview is one of the easiest ways to identify, review, and adjust page breaks before printing. It gives you a clear visual layout so you can format your worksheet with confidence.